Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Confirm the device is powered, connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and signed into the account tied to Find Device. Once done, open the Find Device app or web portal and choose the correct account. This ensures you see linked devices. Make sure location and Bluetooth are enabled on the target device so coordinates and proximity data are accurate. If prompted, complete any quick verification with your recovery email or phone to proceed securely. You now select the device from the list and examine the map for the last known location and live updates. This gives you both where and how recent. After that, try playing a sound to locate nearby devices or lock it remotely and display a message with a contact number so an honest finder can return it. If you're close, follow distance and bearing readouts and start navigation. This reduces searching time and keeps you oriented toward the device. You should attempt physical recovery first. Approach the indicated location, use sound and message responses, and verify the device once in hand. If recovery fails or theft is confirmed, remotely erase the device to protect sensitive data. Remember, this will remove future tracking. Finally, if tracking fails, troubleshoot by confirming the account is correct, network and location permissions are enabled, and the device has battery. If needed, retry after toggling location services or restarting the device and reloading the Find Device app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.